Welcome back to Early Riser Workshop, the Pottery Studio. So today I'm going to try to do a larger lump of clay. I haven't done that before, but if I put this large ball of clay on this wheel and I'm done, and I go to cut it off, I know I'm going to ruin it. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use these bats. Now on another video I show how I made these bats out of wood. They're just 1/2-inch plywood cut into a circle. But this particular wheel does not have the little pins that you find on more expensive wheels. So I did a little research and I found that it's possible to make a ring of clay like a suction cup and then take the piece of wood onto the suction cup and it'll hold it in place. Now we're going to try this together. I've never done this before either. So I'll set the wheel up. I've got some soft usable clay and I'll make a little suction cup ring and I'll let you see how I do. By the way, I'm using my stool, stand, and storage box that I made on other videos. So you can see that I have the seat that I got from Walmart and my box. And it's serving as my seat. And it's very comfortable. Wet the bottom side. Place it on here, roughly centered. Now this is the clay right as it came out of the bag. It's a little stiff. I haven't kneaded it or wedged it, and it's pretty large, pretty big lump of clay. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. All right, I see a problem. I might have too much clay underneath, so I'm going to try to push this down manually. When you log into my YouTube videos or on my webpage, I talk about having adventures in the workshop. This is an adventure. All right, that looks better. I'm getting an oblong. This just isn't going to work. It wants to go. My friends, it's just not going to work.